India is divided into almost two equal parts by Tropic of Cancer. To form Indian National Army, Subhash Chandra Bose took the prisoners of war from this country, Japan. The Congress Prime Minister who took sharp left turn after the 1967 elections, Indira Gandhi. The draft Constitution of India is a formidable document which contains this number of articles and schedules, 315 articles and 8 schedules. As per the theory postulated by Alfred Wogent, Pange, a massive supercontinent existed this million years ago to 20 million years ago. Availability of pure water in ice or snow and underground water respectively are 68.7% and 29.9%. These forests are found in the Himalayas in abundance. Coniferous forest. The number of countries that signed on United Nations Organization's proposal of International Children Charter in 1989, 191. The people who tried to make the maps accurately with the help of longitudes and latitudes are Greeks. The Land Ceiling Act came into implementation in Andhra Pradesh since January 1975. Jagan Mitra Mandali promoted the adoption of this religion by Dalits Buddhism. Percy cricket team beat the Bombay Gymkhana team in this year, 1889. The first newspaper in United States of America, public occurrences. Line symbol is used to locate course of the river. The tributary of Penna River, Papagni. The Chola king who developed navy and raided the Ganga Valley, Sri Lanka and the countries of Southeast Asia, Rajendra I. Rudramadevi was called Rudradeva Maharaja by Bullinayaka. The number of members nominated by the governor to the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Council, 8. Veerapurusha Datta was the king of this dynasty, Ishwaka. As on 2011, the number of women per 1,000 men in Andhra Pradesh, 992. The following suggests to include the 10 common core elements in the curriculum of our country for the first time in P 1986. In social studies, by teaching the concepts like agriculture and apiculture, we can inculcate these values among students, vocational values. In social studies textbook, the lessons impact of technology on livelihoods and public health and government are developed under this theme, production, exchange and livelihood. The following approach is not considered while developing the present social studies textbook in our state, disciplinary approach. After completing the lesson, agriculture in our times, the class 6th students collected the data of different crops grown in their villages and presented a report on them. in the classroom, which reflects this competency in information skills. This is not one of the criteria of potential activity rigidity. The aspects like total number of working days, number of optional local holidays, eligible leaves of a teacher, summative, formative examination days, number of lessons in the textbooks are to be kept in mind by the teacher while preparation of this year plan. Talakona waterfall and Chandragiri fort are respectively geographical resources, historical resources. As per this chapter and section of RTE Act 2009, the social studies teaching should be relevant to constitutional values and all-round development of children. Chapter 5, section 29. This quality differentiates the social studies teachers from other teachers. Knowledge of current affairs and mapping skills.